anchors, we have already seen caret as you could put in the beginning, at the beginning of a pattern, meaning that the pattern has to match at the beginning of the string. There's also dollar. If you put at the end of the string, it will mean that end of the regex, it means that it has to match the end of the string. So if you would like to see an example, here is the regex THE, and it will match any of these words because THE appears in all of them. If you put a caret at the beginning, it means that it has to start with THE, so it will match the thermostat and the, but it won't match this word because THE is in the middle, or this where the THE is at the end. On the other hand, if you put THE and the dollar at the end, it will match the THE that ends with a THE and this word, which again the THE is at the end, but not the one where it's in the middle or where it's at the beginning, like here. And if you put at the beginning caret and then the THE and the dollar, then you would only match the word THE. Now this is probably not really an important example here, because I would probably use EQ to match this. But let's see another example where we know or we require that the beginning will be something. We know or we require something at the beginning, at the end, like it should end with the word finished and then just end it. And in the middle, you can describe in a very flexible way what could be there. So in here it's really flexible because I just said anything, any time, and as many times as you want. But there could be another more specific but still very flexible description of the string. Now this would need to match the whole string, and this is the type of things that you use when you're checking input from some external thing from a user. So this is what we used for input validation, because then without the caret and the dollar, you would just ask whether there is something in the string that matches your regular expression. In this way, you're asking whether the string exactly matches this regular expression, which again can be flexible. It can hold saying, okay, I don't care what's inside, but still the whole thing has to match. And then there is another anchor that is called \b, which is called the word delimiter. What is a word? So in the Perl definition, it's things that have letters, lowercase and uppercase, underscores in it, or digits. So these are what we call the word characters. So any place where you have on one side a word character, so letters or digits or underscore, and on the other side there is something else, that's a word boundary. So that's where the \b matches. Now take a look, both these two and this one, none of them matches actual character. They all match a place in between two characters. Well, these at the beginning of the string and end of the string, and this can be anywhere between that. On one side is a character, the other side can be either the end of the string or another character. So where would you use that? Let's say you are looking for the word struct, and you want to make sure that it matches just the word struct, but not the structure or construct, where the struct is part of a word. So you would write that before the S there should be a \b, and after the B there should be a \b, there should be an end of word. So if there is after the T, if there is a letter, then this will fail. If before the S there is a letter, or number, or underscore for that matter, it would fail. It will only match, so that's why these two fails for this regular expression. But this one doesn't, because both sides have a quotation mark, which is a non-character. \b is relatively rarely used, but then it's very useful.